Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy, Top Tech and Investing here, back today with another video. How are y'all doing today? Let me know down in the comment section below. So let's just dive right in. So I'm down on the day a whopping 10%, $345. If we go on the week, I'm down $205. It's kind of tough, man. A lot of this was due to me, having way too big of a position in one stock. That's kind of my advice yesterday. Don't put too much of your portfolio. But I looked at it. That's what I was. That's what I was looking like to risk. I mean, I accepted the risk. This was a potential possibility, and it did happen. Oh well, I didn't decimate my account. It's only 10%, so I'm fine. I know I can recover from this. If we go on the week, my account made highs. 3,700. If I show the candlesticks, I hit 3,900. So it's crazy how we hit those highs. I know we can go there again. I know if I just consolidate, look back what I did wrong. I know we can reach there again, breach 4,000. We can go above and beyond. So let's look at what went wrong. Let me just break it down for you guys. So Nano-X Imaging, this is the stock that kind of screwed me over. If we look at the option, I bought it for $640, right? And now it's at 105. So $535 loss minus 83%. It's crazy. I actually was up. All right, if you look at the week on this option, I actually was up $130. I didn't take profit. I thought it'd skyrocket higher. This is when Nano-X Imaging, if we go to the week, this is when it hit the highs, like $69, almost 70. I thought it'd rocket higher. Oh well. But the reason why I'm still holding on to it, or I thought it would rocket higher, is because yesterday, they had an event. And this event was to showcase their new X-ray technology, right? So if you look at X-ray machines, you see these huge machines with, the bed, and it slides in to the MRI X-ray machine, and it takes the X-ray, and then the doctor looks over the X-ray with you, right? But they're proposing a new, smaller, lighter, cheaper X-ray MRI machine that is a lot more efficient. I mean, it's cheaper. That's like a triple whammy, right? Triple banger, cheaper, faster, more efficient, lighter. It's crazy, right? You can see here. Look how much sleeker, how much smaller it is, and the technology works. I mean, if we look at the X-rays, you can see over here it works. It's crazy. It's high quality photos. It's not like they're sacrificing anything. I don't know how they did it, but they proved their technology yesterday at the conference. If you look at just X-ray machines, look how huge they are, right? I mean, it's wild. So the CEO actually said that they're waiting on FDA approval any day now. That's his words. Any day now. That's what I'm holding on to the option for. The option right now, as you guys saw, it's at 105. So that's what I'm holding on. If it does get FDA approval, I believe it will skyrocket. So hopefully I can get cut losses maybe at 300, 400. I don't know. Maybe I'll get in the money. Maybe I'll go above my cost basis. I still have 2 weeks on it. It's December 18th. So I still have time on it. Hopefully a miracle happens, right? They get FDA approval, or a huge firm upgrades them, or something else. But it's $105 upside to me right now, and their technology works. So I don't know. I should be skyrocketing, in my opinion, right? With that technology, it's how cheap it is, how light it is. It opens X-ray and MRI imaging to a huge portion of the world, a larger portion of the world than conventional X-ray and MRI machines. So I wouldn't be surprised in the next 5 years if it is a $500 stock. It's at $55 right now. Its market cap is only 2.6 billion. I think that's way too low for a company like this that just proved their technology. But yeah, I thought that event would make it skyrocket, but it's a sell the news, buy the rumor, sell the news type of deal, whatever. But let's look at the rest of the portfolio. I bought, if we look at actually the last price, so I bought Neo $60 call. Last video yesterday, you saw that I had 2 of these options. I sold one for a small gain. I wanted to cut down on my position after realizing what happened with Nano-X. I'm almost 99% sure that this will go up. I have a lot of time on this. January 15th, $60 call with Neo Day as the last catalyst. December deliveries, I hope it will go up to this, and maybe I can bank and secure profits. So I bought a Tilray $20 call for January 15th. The Senate that said that they're voting on a bill for marijuana legalization. So I believe that will skyrocket or make Tilray skyrocket. I'm hoping that they'll do that in the month of December. They said that they're nearing a deal or the final vote on that. So I'm waiting on that. Apple, I got in 2 buys on these $155 calls for February 19th. I'm playing their earnings. Apple, I believe that Apple is gonna blow their earnings out of the water. It's expected January 26th, so I have a lot of time after earnings. You saw Apple's new Macs, their Mac Mini, even their new iPhones. Their iPhones was not included in last earnings, so I believe that those two, their new computers, will absolutely make the stock skyrocket. The new computers are cheaper, better, longer lasting. So, and I've seen a lot of people said, "Oh, I'm buying new, Apple Mac." So. Have really high conviction on that. I believe that it will go up on earnings. I hope it will, reach 130, 140, 150, and I'll sell out of this with a good sized profit. If we go back to the portfolio, I'm in AMD. I bought AMD $120 calls. If you look at that, up $22 on it. I bought it for $251. AMD, it's making new highs. It actually made new highs at $96. I believe AMD will shoot up, absolutely, just bomb next earnings, January 26th as well. So January 26th is a huge day. January in general is a huge day for me. We got Neo Day. We got AMD earnings, Apple earnings. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be wild. January is going to be wild if everything goes my way. They got earnings January 26th. They beat last earnings. So I'm hoping with their new chips that they launched in October. I went over that a few videos back with the AMD 5000 series review and their new graphics cards that they released, the AMD 6000 series, like the 6700X, 6900X. I believe that's what they're called. They're really cheap. Now they're really comparable to what Nvidia's offering. So I believe that their sales will absolutely just dominate. I heard a lot of reports or not a lot of reports. If you go on the website, they're all sold out. All the graphics cards all sold out, or most of them. The cheaper one, I believe, is sold out completely. So I believe that they'll do really good on earnings. Hopefully they get a bounce up to the $110 level, $120 level, and I'll sell out for a nice profit as well. So that's my reasoning on AMD. I'm holding the BA contracts. The BA contracts actually hit a high of... No, that was just a glitch. But they've been hovering at 32. So I already hit my 100% level, right? If these do go to maybe $1, 50 cents to 70 cents is maybe profit taking range. I might take my cost bases out, which is what I recommended in my last video. If you do reach 100%, sell half of your contracts to kind of minimize risk so that you're only playing with your profit. So if it does go to 50, 0.50 or 0.70, I'm gonna sell out and take away my cost basis. I still have a lot of time on those. February 19th, and Boeing did see new highs this week, so I'm really confident that it will skyrocket further. Nancy Pelosi actually said that they're expecting a COVID-19 stimulus bill to be passed by Christmas, so the Santa rally could still very much be a possibility. I'm still waiting on that. I have my American Airlines call for $25 for May 21st, 2021. So I have an insane amount of time, more than 6 months. I'm pretty confident by then we'll get the vaccines rolling out, the Pfizer vaccine, the Moderna vaccine rolling out, start distributing it. Everything will kind of go back up. American Airlines will go back up based on all this news. The stimulus will bring this back up, and Boeing as well. So those two airliners, an airline manufacturer, will go up. I strongly believe. So I'm already up 100% on this. So I still have a lot of time. So that's why I'm not selling out of it. But that's just my conviction. I believe that they'll go up with the Santa rally, with the COVID-19 stimulus bill that Nancy Pelosi is in talks with, and Mitch McConnell. So that's just my reasoning. on that. I wanted to own a few AMD shares on this account. I love AMD. They're crazy. They're kind of the underdogs. They've grown a crazy amount this year. So yeah, that's just my portfolio review for this week. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you thought about the video. Let me know what you want to see on the channel. Right? And don't forget to use my Robinhood referral link down in the description below. Tell your mama, your daddy, your grandpa, your granny, and your brother upstairs chewing on the fork to use my Robinhood referral link down in the description below. You get a free stock. I get a free stock. They get a free stock. Free money for everyone. Who does not like free money? Keep telling y'all this, man. But anyways, take it easy. Safe option trading. Have a good weekend. And I'm out. Peace.